Portable bandsaws are almost a must for any home hobby shop to a business workshop. The Baileigh BS-128M really fits the bill. This saw has 3 speeds adjustable by this belt drive system here. That, of course, is done manually. A hydraulic assist for the bow head with an override too. You can actually increase, lock it in place, decrease, or adjust the valve and let it drop on its own. Of course, when it reaches the down position, it does have a micro switch that turns the machine off. And the bow head is adjustable for mitering cuts, not the vise itself. The material stays locked in its position, and by loosening this right here, we can actually move the machine 60 degrees to the right or 45 degrees to the left. But wait, there's more. Not only is this a horizontal bandsaw, it's also a vertical. Set the machine up, and this additional work table comes with the machine. It simply attaches with 2 screws. Now you've got a vertical machine. And again, it's highly portable, highly mobile, 110 volt. For more information on this machine or any other, visit us at Baileigh.com. Check this out, it even has wheels.